Where the fuck is the lightning?
And my nigga, and I know right here, the boy Chucky, and we're watching the fucking lightning.
Okay, my nigga.
Go back.
Oh shit, it keeps going. I can see. I'm fucking cold. She fucking wet me.
You in the video?
Shut the fuck up. I didn't see shit. Where was that? Where the fuck was it? Let me see. Move. Let me see. Move. Where the freak is it? Where was it this time?
Just go close to it.
Wait. There's nothing. I saw that one. Yeah, I saw that one. Another one. Shut the fuck up.
Mama told me to sleep at 7, but I slept at 7 or 1. So life.
I just saw that. Let me get a closer look.
I'm getting the lightning bad.
You gonna control nothing. You're just disgusting. Let's see if we get like. Oh, I saw that. Oh, shoot that thing.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that.
I actually saw the line. Look, my mom told me to keep at 7, but I left at 7 or 1. Thug life.
Dude, that's scary.
What is this?
Do you imagine if this happened right here and just struck the floor?
I got a library test, but I didn't go to the library.
Oh, dude, I didn't record that. Fuck this shit. I'm going.
You're lucky got up there. Or 7, 21 seconds.
Where's the lightning? Oh! I got that! Any more lightning that wants to come out? Oh, shoot! That one was strong!
Dude, it's more over there, huh?
Freak off!
It's more over there than here. I just want to drive over there.
Oh, shit! Oh, I captured that!
Gang, bro. Where's the lightning at, bro? Probably my grandma's.
Dude, I've literally been recording for here 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Oh! I saw that one over there. Dude, the biggest one just came out and I saw it. Oh my god! He needs some milk!
You need some milk.
I already drank some milk, dude. No se va a morir. It's not gonna die. The cat ain't gonna die. The light. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm taking a phone call. Oh yeah. Who wants to smell that duck life?
Mi mamá me dijo que me duermo a las 7, pero me miré a las 7:01, Dog life.
Oh my god! I got the one down. What the? Que no se va a morir.